I want to take you on an adventure with me in the creation of something truly just gorgeous. I'm often asked, do you only eat pasta? And the answer is in my new cookbook, The Art of Italian Cooking, is now available for pre-order. It all started in the eternal city of Rome in Italy, where I was born, and in the south near Naples with my family, farming the land and sharing the love for the finest ingredients the Italian gods ever created. This is a journey into the essence of the Mediterranean diet, passed down through generations, where my family's traditions, passion, and happiness are at the core of every meal. In this book, we will explore every course of a classic Italian menu with over 100 recipes of delicious combinations of ingredients, from appetizers, cocktails, primi, secondi, and so much more, including the iconic street foods of Italy. Finally, let this book be an inspiration as you dive in page after page into the secrets of La Dolce Vita. Just gorgeous.